Okay, today I'm going to show you how to actually set up a Feed the Beast Sky Factory 3 Minecraft server on TrueNAS Scale. This will probably be different for TrueNAS Core, but I'm doing it in TrueNAS Scale. So basically what you need to do is you just need to navigate over to your applications on your TrueNAS UI. What you're going to notice is I have 5 servers running, and how we're going to add those is go to the Discover Apps section. When you get into Discover, search for Minecraft and select the Minecraft option. Then you're going to hit install and install another if you already have one. So now we just need to fill out some of the application settings. So I'm going to call this one Minecraft-Feed the Beast Sky Factory 3 test. There can be no spaces, so I'm just going to correct that. You must accept the EULA here. But there's a few settings for Feed the Beast since it's an older version of Minecraft. We want to select Java 8 hotspot plus JDK. In the type, we're going to actually go through and select Feed the Beast. And for the version, this is where it gets a little interesting. You can't just put latest because this is the actual version of Minecraft. So I'm going to go search for the Feed the Beast Sky Factory mod and navigate to their website. Once you get to the website, you'll see the Minecraft version right there, 1.10.2. That's the version we want to put into the version tab. Now we're going to go through and just change the server name. This can be whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Your difficulty and your game mode can all be whatever. Your message of the day, that's just what pops up when you're going to connect to the server. Can be whatever you want. I'm going to leave Archon on because it actually allows you to restart the server a little bit more gracefully. Just give it a nice password. Set your max players and your world size and such depending on your hardware. I'm just going to go with the defaults here. I usually turn off PvP because it's just my friends and I. You can leave it on, it doesn't really matter. But the important parts down here are these extra additional environment variables. Okay, once we get down here, we're going to add mod pack underscore platform. For Feed the Beast, it's FTBA. Using a different one, maybe something else. Then we're going to add another one for FTB underscore mod pack underscore ID. This is the ID of the mod pack. So we're going to go back to the Feed the Beast website. In the URL, modpacks/25, this number right here, that's the value for this particular mod pack. If you were using a different mod, it'd be a different value, obviously. The next step is to add the version ID for that mod pack. So we'll do FTB mod pack version underscore ID. Go back to the Feed the Beast page. In this latest version section, 3.0.21, that's what we want. So 3.0.21. And then one more thing, and this is going to change depending on your machine, is we want to add memory. And this is for the actual server to run on the Java application that runs underneath. I'm going to use 7 gigs. If you want to do 6, do 6G. You can just do whatever value, but you probably need at least 4 to run this. Once we get down here, I'm just going to pick a port I know is not in use. We're going to do, let's do 5.8. And then for the Archon port, we'll just do 8.8. So I'm going to leave it on the IX volume. I'm going to set this CPUs to 4. And I'm going to give this 8,192 megabytes of RAM. I have 64 in this machine, so I'm not really concerned about it. It shouldn't go over 7 gigs because I set that value, but there is still a little bit of overhead. So it's nice to give it just a little bit more than the amount that you specify up top. So then we're just going to hit install right here. That port's already in use. Great. So that's okay. What we're going to do is just change the port. So let's do 7.4. Why not? Doesn't matter what port you use, just kind of remember which one it is because that will play a role in actually connecting to the server. So what it's going to do after it gets done is it's going to kick us back to the app settings or the applications. And we're just going to have to wait until this gets done deploying. Okay, looks like we're done. The Sky Factory 3 test server is on port 25574. So now we're just going to hop over to Minecraft and actually connect to it. Okay, when you get to Sky Factory, you're just going to go to multiplayer, add a server. We'll call this Sky Factory 3 tutorial. You can grab your IP address directly off of the TrueNAS home screen. Mine is this in this case. This is your local IP address. And then you're going to want to grab the actual port that we had. So mine was 255572574. Then hit done. And there it is, SF3 tutorial. And we should just be able to join it. Might take a second. There are a lot of things loading on here, so there we are. And we can verify that we have all the mods because I'm sitting here with this. Go here and click here, new team, etc., etc. Materials and you. Yep. But there you have it. That's it. It's pretty simple. Not too hard. Yep. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I have also set up a Direwolf server to kind of follow the same process. You're just going to replace the values for the mod pack ID, the Minecraft versions and such. And you can basically Google the Minecraft version that it's using, like this one's 1.10.2, and then you can Google which version of Java it requires. So that's a good way to handle things like that. But yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching.